Good morning. It's Corey with Buying Houses Nashville. Just wanted to take 2 minutes and just give you a breakdown of what it's like, what happens throughout the process as we buy a property so you know what you can expect. So after we collect your contact info and we talk to you over the phone, we schedule a time and we come out there. We have have you show us the house, do a walkthrough. Don't worry about it. If there's clutter, if you're packing, if there's things going on with the property, trust me, I have seen every crazy thing you can think of. So don't be worried about having the property cleaned up. So after we walk through the property, we sit down and we talk about the price, the terms, closing date. And once we agree on a purchase price, then you get to choose the closing date, whether it's fast in a couple weeks or if you need more time. Some people will need to wait 60 or 90 days. That's fine with us. The closing date is up to you. So then we set the closing date at the title company. We have a couple different title companies that we close at. Most of them are in Cool Springs or Franklin. And you start packing up your stuff, get everything out that you need to get out. Then a day before the closing date, we'll come by again just to make sure that the property's in the same condition as when we first walked through it. Make sure there's no broken windows or the foundation isn't falling off of the house. And then we both go to the title company and everybody fills out the paperwork. You bring your bank information so that the title company can wire you your cash, and it's usually wired the same day. Sometimes it gets there the next day, and then you move on your merry way and move on with your life. So it really is as simple as that. It's not a complicated process. Just ask any of the sellers that we've worked with. You can view some of our testimonials on the website here, and we'd love to show you how easy it is. Call or email us if you have questions about that. Have a great day, guys.